Hello, everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix extend volume is grayed out, even when there's unallocated space sitting there. Way 1, delete the volume on the right. Firstly, press 1+X shortcut key, and select Disk Management from the list. If there's no unallocated space on the right, then you're unable to extend this volume with Disk Management. In Disk Management windows, right-click on the volume, select Delete Volume. When prompted, click on Yes to confirm. Now you're able to extend this volume normally. Way 2, use Diskpart to extend volume. Sometimes, we may encounter that even there's unallocated space on the right, the extend volume is still not working. Then you can try using the built-in Diskpart command. Type CMD in the Windows search box and choose Run as administrator. In the command prompt, type the following commands. Diskpart. List disk. Select disk 4. Here, replace with your disk number. List partition. Select partition 1. Here, replace with your partition number. Extend. This will extend the volume using Diskpart. Now, check your disk management to see if the issue is resolved. Way 3, convert FAT32 to NTFS. The extend volume option works only for NTFS file systems. If your partition is formatted as FAT32, you can convert it to NTFS without losing data. Open command prompt as administrator again. Type the following command, replace X, with your drive letter. Convert X/FS NTFS. When prompted to enter the volume label, go to this PC. You can find the volume label here. After the conversion is complete, return to disk management. Extend volume option is now available. Way 4, extend unallocated space to the left. Sometimes unallocated space is on the left of your volume, preventing you from extending it. Here's how to solve that. Before start, back up your partition first. Here you can use a tool like Unallocated to back up your partition as a file. Go to Backup section. Choose the volume to back up. Then select a path to save the backup file. Click on Start button to begin. Then back to Disk Management window, delete partition next to the unallocated space. Then right-click on the unallocated space, select New Simple Volume. Now you've successfully merged them into one partition. Lastly, use Unallocated to restore your data from the backup. Select the new volume and choose the backup file from File Explorer. Click on Start to begin to restore. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to use Extend Volume to manage your disk partitions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.